A very good evening to all respected members. I warmly welcome all the participants to this workshop on photography and cinematography using drone technology. In today's session, we will explore how drones have transformed photography and filmmaking by enabling breathtaking aerial perspectives and creative storytelling. Let us discuss the workshop objectives. In this workshop, we will understand the basic fundamentals of drone photography and cinematography. We will learn about drone cameras, aerial shooting techniques, flight planning, safety regulations, post-processing workflows, and emerging trends such as artificial intelligence and aerial imaging. By the end of this session, participants will gain a comprehensive understanding of professional drone-based visual content creation. Let us now connect to the basic introduction of drone technology. Generally, modern drones comprises of the following things: a flight controllers, GPS system, motors used to activate the propeller, batteries, cameras, and stabilization gimbals. So these technologies allow precise navigation and stable image capture, making drones highly effective tools for photography and cinematography. Evolution of drone photography. Drone photography has evolved significantly over the years. Initially developed for military surveillance operations, drone technology has now expanded into various commercial sectors. Today, drones are widely used in filmmaking, real estate marketing, tourism promotions, environmental monitoring, and social media content creation, offering perspectives that were once impossible or extremely expensive to achieve. Next thing is, what are the types of drones used for photography? There are several categories of photography drones. Consumer drones are designed for hobbyists and beginners. Professional drones offer advanced camera systems and longer flight durations. First person view drones provide immersive flying experience and dynamic footage. Cinema drones are capable of carrying high-end cameras for professional filmmaking applications. So, what are the basic fundamentals of drone camera? The quality of aerial photography largely depends on the camera system. There are some important parameters in drone camera, such as resolution, sensor size, ISO sensitivity, aperture, shutter speed, and white balance. Understanding these settings enables the photographers to capture sharp images, maintain proper exposure, and achieve professional quality results uh, under various lighting conditions. Here, I told you something about ISO sensitivity. ISO is nothing but that will reveal your camera's sensitivity to light. It also acts as a brightness booster for your photos and videos. Along with aperture and shutter speed, it is one of the three pillars of exposure triangle. Now let us understand the basics of exposure triangle. The exposure triangle comprises of ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. ISO controls the sensor sensitivity to light. Aperture regulates the amount of light entering the camera. Shutter speed determines how long the sensor is exposed to light. Balancing these three parameters is essential for producing a clear, properly exposed aerial photographs and videos. So here let us see some of the commonly used photography techniques used in drones. Effective drone photography requires strong composition skills. Techniques such as the rule of thirds, leading lines, symmetry, and framing can greatly improve the image quality. Creative aerial perspectives, including bird's eye view and top-down shots, that helps to produce visually compelling photographs that captures viewers' attention. What are the different modes of aerial photography? Modern drones offer specialized photography modes such as panoramic view, high dynamic range, hyperlapse, time lapse, and vertical shooting. These intelligent modes simplify the creation of professional content and allow photographers to capture expansive landscapes, dynamic time based sequences, and social media friendly images. Let us have a few introduction about the drone cinematography. The drone cinematography focuses on storytelling through aerial video. Unlike still photography, cinematography uses motion, timing, and camera movement to create emotional engagement. Drone based filming adds a cinematic dimension by capturing smooth and immersive aerial sequences that enhances visual narratives. So, cinema? What are the various drone movements used for cinematography? Professional drone cinematography relies on specific camera movements. Orbit shots circle around an object, reveal shots gradually expose a scene, tracking shots follow moving objects, crane movements simulate vertical camera lift, fly through sequences create immersive experiences. Mastering these above techniques helps to produce a cinematic quality aerial footage. How to perform a flight planning for cinematic shots. Successful drone operations require detailed planning. Pilots must evaluate the location, weather conditions, light availability, and potential obstacles. Mission planning software can design efficient flight path and ensure safe operations while maximizing the quality of the captured footage. Now let us see some of the basic camera settings for video. For cinematic video production, frame rates such as 24 frames per second provide a film-like appearance, while 60 frames per second are suitable for slow motion effects. Professional video profiles like D-Log preserve greater dynamic range and allow advanced color grading during post-production work. Let us come to the safety and regulations carried out in drone operations. Generally, every drone operators they have to comply with aviation regulations and safety guidelines. The pilot should maintain visual line of sight. They have to monitor the battery levels and prioritize the safety during all flight activities. Let us have a note on post-processing workflow in drone operations. So post-processing transforms a raw aerial footage into a polished professional content. Editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve can be used for trimming clips, color corrections, stabilization, transitions, and sound enhancement. Effective editing significantly improves the final visual presentation. Let us see much briefer. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional timeline based video editing software. used to assemble, edit, and polish raw video footage into a finished product. DaVinci Resolve is a professional editing tool without time limits or watermark. It includes high-end editing, color grading, visual effects, and audio post-production. So these are some of the techniques that are used in post-processing work. Use of artificial intelligence in drone photography. Artificial intelligence enhances the drone operations. AI-powered systems can track subjects automatically, recognize the objects, avoiding obstacles, and perform autonomous flights. These capabilities improve efficiency, safety, and creative possibilities in aerial photography and cinematography. What are the general applications of drone photography? Drone photography has numerous applications across industries. It is widely used in film production, wedding coverage, tourism promotion, real estate marketing, infrastructure inspection, agricultural monitoring, environmental studies, and disaster management. Its versatility continues to drive industry growth worldwide. Let us see some case study examples. Several successful projects demonstrate the value of drone technology. Real estate companies use aerial visuals to showcase the properties. Tourism departments create promotional videos highlighting scenic locations. Infrastructure managers monitor the construction progress and inspect facilities using drone generated images and videos. So regarding the career opportunities for the engineers, here are some of the few things as listed here. Rapid growth of drone industry has created numerous career opportunities. Professionals can work as drone photographers, aerial cinematographers, drone pilots, survey specialists, inspection experts, and content creators. Freelancing opportunities are also expanding in areas such as weddings, real estate, tourism, and digital marketing. So these are some of the career opportunities that are left behind in drone industries. So let us review the summary of different viewpoints for today's workshop. So today we explore drone technology fundamentals, aerial photography techniques, cinematography principles, safety regulations, post-processing workflows, artificial intelligence application, and career opportunities. These skills provide a strong foundation for creating a professional aerial visual content using modern drone platforms. So with the above all, I thank all the participants for showing the active interest in this workshop on photography and cinematography using drone technology. I hope that today's session has enhanced your understanding of aerial imaging and that inspired you to explore a lot of exciting possibilities offered by drone technology. So with this, I thank once again all the members. We will meet in the next upcoming workshop with a different topic of agenda. Thank you all.